Before you dive into this video, imagine walking through endless rows of cherry trees so full of glowing red fruit that every branch seems ready to burst. Now picture the machines, the science, the farmers, and the massive system working behind the scenes to grow, harvest, and process millions of America's famous cherries. Today, you're about to uncover the entire journey of these vibrant, flavorful fruits, from the cold mountain valleys where they first sprout to the giant factories where they're sorted, packed, and transformed into products enjoyed around the world. With their ideal climate and nutrient-rich soils, the western and northwestern regions of the United States have become the home of globally admired cherries. Known not only for their plump shape and striking red shine, but also for their signature mix of sweetness and bright, refreshing tartness. By 2023, cherry growing areas across the U.S. covered nearly 37,000 hectares, producing between 300,000 and 400,000 tons every year, making America the world's leading cherry-producing nation. States like Washington, Michigan, Oregon, and California provide the perfect environment for cherry trees to thrive. Supported by cutting-edge agricultural technology and eco-friendly farming systems that help the industry deliver more than 156,000 tons annually to global markets. If you ever get the chance to walk through a cherry orchard in full bloom or heavy with ripe fruit, the experience would be unforgettable. But don't worry, because this video will take you directly into the heart of cherry farms, where you'll witness the beauty, the precision, and the sheer vitality of these fruit-filled landscapes. Growing cherries successfully begins long before the first bud appears, starting with proper soil preparation and the right climate. The soil must be loose, well-drained, and free from standing water, so roots can breathe and expand. Cherry trees prefer soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0, and if the pH falls too low, farmers add lime to raise it. Before planting, organic fertilizers or fully decomposed manure are mixed into the soil to boost nutrient levels. Climate matters just as much as soil. Cherry trees need a cold winter with at least 700 to 1200 hours below 7 degrees Celsius to encourage strong, healthy growth when spring arrives. The best time to plant is during fall or early spring, when temperatures are mild and the soil is moist enough to help seedlings establish quickly. Seedlings must be spaced between 13 and 20 feet apart, depending on the variety, giving each tree enough room for its branches and roots to grow properly. Farmers dig planting holes around 2 feet wide and deep enough for the roots to spread comfortably. After placing the seedling into the hole, they cover it with soil, gently press it down, and water immediately to help the young tree settle into its new environment. Proper planting sets the foundation for strong tree development and future high-quality fruit production. To save time and reduce labor, many farms now rely on modern cherry planting machines designed specifically for orchard use. Some machines include GPS systems that precisely control spacing, ensuring that every tree is planted in the perfect spot. These machines can dig dozens of holes per minute, dramatically increasing efficiency compared to traditional hand digging. In the early growth stages, frequent watering is essential to help the roots establish, but farmers must be careful to avoid waterlogged soil that can suffocate or rot the roots. As cherry trees mature, watering is reduced and applied mainly during hot, dry periods. Fertilizing at the correct times is also crucial. Young trees benefit from nitrogen-rich fertilizers that help leaves, branches, and the trunk grow vigorously, creating a strong structure capable of supporting heavy clusters of cherries later on. Tree pruning is another essential part of cherry care. Farmers typically prune in late winter or early spring, when the tree is dormant but before new buds emerge. This timing reduces the risk of disease and helps the tree direct nutrients toward new, healthy growth. Weak, tangled, or dead branches are removed so the tree can focus energy on developing strong fruit-bearing limbs. Proper pruning also improves air circulation and sunlight exposure, reducing disease risks and increasing overall yield. As winter fades and temperatures rise, cherry trees begin to awaken, producing delicate blossoms that signal the arrival of spring. Blooming typically takes place from March to April, depending on region and variety. The trees become covered in clouds of tiny pink or white flowers, creating breathtaking scenes that attract visitors from all over the world. Once the blossoms are pollinated and petals fall away, small green fruits begin forming. Farmers carefully manage fruit load to make sure the tree can support the weight. Too many cherries on one branch can cause breakage or poor fruit quality. Over the next 45 to 90 days, the fruit undergoes remarkable changes, shifting from green to yellow, then pink, and eventually to a deep, glossy red, signaling that harvest season has arrived. Picking cherries is a delicate job that requires both skill and patience. Farmers typically harvest by hand to avoid damaging the fruit. Each cherry is gently twisted from the stem, keeping the stem attached, which helps preserve freshness and extend shelf life during long-distance transport. Any bruising or dropping can reduce the fruit's value, so harvesters must work carefully as they move through the orchard. For large commercial orchards, modern cherry harvesters are used. These machines are designed to shake the branches just enough to loosen ripe cherries without harming the tree. The fruits fall onto cushioned conveyors that move them safely into storage bins. Cherry harvesters are powerful machines, often 16 to 26 feet long and weighing up to 10 tons. They can process 10 to 20 tons of cherries per hour and may include advanced sensors and camera systems to identify ripe fruit and improve accuracy. Engines ranging from 80 to 150 horsepower allow these machines to operate smoothly and efficiently over large fields, greatly reducing labor costs while maintaining fruit quality. Once cherries are harvested, they are quickly transported to processing facilities to maintain freshness. The first step is washing, where cherries pass through automatic cleaning systems that remove dirt, dust, and microorganisms using clean water and mild sanitizers. After washing, cherries go through drying tunnels to remove surface moisture, preventing spoilage during storage and shipping. From there, they enter grading lines equipped with high-tech sensors that evaluate each cherry's size, color, shine, and surface condition. This automated grading process ensures that only the highest quality fruit is selected for export or premium retail markets. Graded cherries are then moved to packaging areas where they are placed into temperature-controlled environments. Workers or automated machines carefully arrange the fruit into specialized boxes designed to prevent pressure damage and maintain freshness over long distances. Thanks to advanced packaging technology, each box of cherries consistently meets strict quality standards. Cherries that don't meet fresh market standards are sent to processing lines for juice production. The process begins with another washing stage, followed by crushing or pressing to extract juice. The extracted juice is then filtered to remove seeds and pulp, resulting in a smooth, clean liquid. To ensure food safety, the juice is heated or sterilized using modern methods that kill bacteria while preserving flavor. Finally, the juice is bottled or canned under hygienic conditions and prepared for shipping. Cherry processing reduces waste and provides additional value for farmers by expanding the range of products made from this fruit. Besides their delicious taste, cherries are packed with nutrients like vitamins A and C, potassium, and manganese. They are also rich in antioxidants that help the body fight inflammation, slow cellular damage, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. In the culinary world, cherries are incredibly versatile. They appear in desserts, drinks, salads, sauces, and even savory dishes. Their sweet, tart flavor brings a refreshing burst of taste that enhances countless recipes. The entire journey of American cherries, from the orchard soil to the final packaged product, is a testament to modern farming innovation, skilled labor, and nature's beauty. Every step, from planting to pruning to high-tech harvesting, plays a crucial role in bringing these vibrant fruits to consumers worldwide. So, after learning about this amazing process, what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the world of cherry farming and processing.